back to Red Ted Art. Today we have these adorable, super cute kawaii faces apples. I mean, these are just so adorable. And you know what's extra special about these? These were created or designed by an Instagrammer who likes to watch my YouTube channel. She's done loads of my bookmarks and has created her own designs as well. She's called the Craftaholic Life. So check her out down below. You've seen the name in the middle, and she's got loads of designs. She's got pineapple, she's got blueberry, she's got strawberries, and I just think these little faces are just so cute. I asked her if I was allowed to share with you one of her makes, so this is the apple one, and she said yes. So a big thank you for sharing your design with me. I think they're adorable. I hope you find them adorable too. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. As you can see, today we're going to be using a red square piece of paper, some scraps for the face and the details. I've got a tin here which will help me get my round-ish shape, some pens, pencils, and glue stick, scissors, that kind of stuff. The first thing you have to do is create your own basic corner bookmark. Now I've decided to create the red as my main bookmark. I think the Craftaholic Life used a white or a skin coloured or whatever colour you want to use, one as a basic, but I'm just making mine a bit different. So the first thing you do is you take your square and you turn it into a triangle. There we go. Now you take your corner and bring it up. Take your other corner and also bring it up. Do try and make your folds as neatly as possible, but to be honest, you know, you can see here it's not perfect. It's quite forgiving and it's not a problem. Open up, take the flap, so there's two, all the way to the middle. Take this side, tuck it under. This side, tuck it under. And you have made a basic corner bookmark. So that this now fits neatly over the edge of your book. We'll use the book again in a minute because it'll help us with some details, but let's just put that aside. You now want to turn this into a round bookmark. Now if you look carefully at mine, it's not actually round. There's two straight edges on either side. This is what's keeping your bookmark together. So do not cut out a perfect round shape. We actually want it to be non-perfect. So when I'm going to trace, I'm tracing like this. Two straight edges, and it's going to go nice and round at the bottom. So turn it round, take your tin, look, a little melon. You know, this is a craft on Red Ted Art as well. You can look for it. I'm going to pop it over the top, and like I said, do not cut the top edges, right? So you kind of want to go nicely over the top. Let's just see. You can't see exactly what I'm doing, but I'm just going to check. I think that will do. Here we go. So you can see, nice straight edge, and I'm going to cut out, whoopsie, the details here. You'll see it a bit better once it's cut. So that doesn't look round at all, but you know what? Once you've got it all fully decorated, you almost don't notice that shape. So now it's time for my details. First thing I'm going to do is cut a little leaf. So this is some scrap paper that was left over from making my red apple. Actually, it's quite a big leaf, but that also helps hide the you know, the non-roundness. Cut it out. I think that's quite good. I like it. Now I need to cut a circle. Now, if you can find something to trace to get your circle super neat, that would be great. If you haven't got anything to trace, you can try and cut it freehand. I think this is a bit small, but you know what? I'm going to use this as a guide. And then I'm going to just cut it a little bit bigger than my actual circle, but it'll help me get it neat. So this will be the back of my circle where you can see the pencil marks. So I've got my guide, and I'm just going to cut around it to make it a bit bigger. see. Oh, I think that looks like a really good face, good size. What do you think? Or maybe a tiny bit smaller? This is the thing, isn't it? You just have to experiment. Here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to get some scrap white paper so that I can do some colouring in without getting it onto my, my nice surface. I need to add a little hair. I love the hairstyles that Craftaholic added. I'm going to use a slightly thicker pen actually to colour this in. Okay, time for the eyes. I think it's easiest to kind of, your mouth. I'm going to just sketch them in, just so I get them about right, and then I'm going to go over it. Okay. There we go. Isn't that adorable? Such a cute face. Let me show you a bit more in detail. That's so sweet, isn't it? Right, time for our pencils. I'm going to give it, let's see what colour shows up nicely on that background. Yeah, that works. Nice rosy cheeks. Find my eraser. I'm just going to get some pencil lines off. There we go. Ooh. Knocking everything over. Okay, time to bring it all together. Get your glue stick. We do love our Pritt Stick. Pritt Stick's a great brand. It does its job really well. Get the face on, get the leaf on. The leaf kind of really adds to the getting the shape right, I think. Here we go. Then you get your pen for a little kind of stalk. And then I love all the little details that the Craftaholic Life added. So if I put this here, it's easier to draw. Let's move this out of the way. You take it here. You can now use your pen to add, just some little kind of things to give it texture and like make it look like it's shining. So really nice little design details that she added. I love it. Basically, I'm just copying what she did. And like I said, she gave me permission to share her design. And I love to see yours. And if you've got something that I'd like to share, that'd be great. So even though the red dots are very subtle, I think they do really add to kind of the texture of the apple. And there you go. Isn't that adorable? You have your apple finished. So here they are again together. Let's move it up the way. You've got your two little apples. I think they're really adorable, perfect for autumn and you know, back to school or teachers' gifts. Really, really cute. A big thank you to the Craftaholic Life. I shall put her Instagram details down below and you can take a look. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But above all, keep watching, keep making. I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.